Sony 5 CD changer. Model number is CDP CE375. This is 2007 model. So I plug it to the power. You can see, yeah, it showed the error. Click open, it doesn't open the door. Yeah, there's no ejection disk drive. So let's take it apart. There is 4 screws here and 2 screws here. Check the cover. Yeah, it's not moving. The customer said it was making a noise before, but the door doesn't open, doesn't play. It's completely doesn't take new discs. So because it's not open, could be just a belt issue. So I need to eject this one. There is like a flat screw here. That's one to eject the door. Yep, there's ejection now. You can see it's turning. I hear the motor is spinning, but it's not. Yes. All right. Yeah, could be just a belt issue. So let's check that. Oh yeah, it's a belt issue. The belt is right here. So we need the belt from here to here. Let's clean it first. Let's put it together and test it. It's the old belt. Yeah, it's bad. Alright, it's ejection now. Yes, look like it's playing. I can see the disc, the track number 1. This one should be plugged to the amplifier because doesn't have a lot of power to run the speaker, but we can yeah, there is a sound. Yeah, it works. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.